Hi everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing great. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because after so long I'm doing a sit back and chit chat talk through sort of a video, and also I'll be creating this beautiful peach glam makeup look by using only MIOR makeup products. And this is not a first impressions sort of a video. I have tried their products, but today I'll be trying some of their newly launched products. Okay, before we get started, let me talk about the brand a little bit. Now MIOR is a sustainable beauty brand and all of their products are 100% clean and vegan. Their entire range of products including makeup and skincare, they are super food based, and their makeup products has more than 94% natural ingredients, which is really good for the skin. Now let me talk about their packaging a little bit. They do come in this beautiful cardboard sort of a packaging which looks really nice and clean. Also it looks really sophisticated and it's very lightweight, easy to carry and travel friendly. What I really like about their outer packaging is everything is mentioned on the back of their packaging, including their ingredients, the price, weight, expiry date, MFG date, every minute detail is mentioned. I hope you guys can see, and as you guys can see, it's already mentioned on their packaging that it's 100% vegan, cruelty free, sulfate free, paraben free, petroleum free, and these are made with natural ingredients. Alright, now let's move on to the makeup, and if you are interested in seeing how I got this beautiful peach glam makeup look by using all MIOR products, then please keep on watching. Okay, before moving on to the makeup, I will prep my skin really well with a moisturizer and a primer. Remember, moisturizer is a must no matter what skin type you have. Okay, moisturizing is done, and as I have oily skin, so next I'll be using a pore minimizing primer. Skin prep is done. Let's move on to the foundation. For that I have the Phyto Radiance foundation. This is the Serum foundation. It also has niacinamide and squalene, and this is in the shade Dahlia. This has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, mulberry, licorice and rose. Oh my god, it feels so hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. It's so lightweight, it almost feels like a tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to take my foundation brush. I love how beautiful it looks on the skin. It looks so natural, yet it has covered my problematic areas. You guys have seen that I have one active acne right here, and it has covered that beautifully, yet my skin looks so natural and dewy and fresh. Next I have their concealer, and look at the packaging, how cute it looks. This has coffee, watermelon, almond, avocado and bakuchiol. And it's so buttery. Oh my god, I mean, look at that. So I'm going to take some on my finger and I will just apply it right here and right here. It's quite pigmented. Also I'm going to apply it right here and around my mouth. Look at that, it's so easily blendable. Also I'm going to take some and apply it right here, because I have one active acne. Can you guys see? It's so easily blendable. You don't even need a brush with it. Next I'm taking my foundation brush and just blending everything in so that there's no harsh lines. Next I need to set these cream products in place, right? For that I have this one. This is their Talc-Free Airbrushing powder, and oh my god, I haven't used something like this before, and it's so finely milled. I mean, look at that. So I'm just gonna take some like that. I'm gonna look up and set my under eye area and my T-zone area. Don't take a lot of it, okay? Just take a little bit of it, and this is gonna do the job. And whatever is left, I'm just gonna set my cheek area. Look at that, no flashback at all. My base is set and it feels so lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Oh my god, I totally forgot that I already have their bronzer as well, and this is their cream bronzer. You guys can see this is how it looks like. I've already applied some powder on my skin, but anyway, I'm gonna use it now and let's see how it works. So I'm gonna apply it right here. I love that it's not too cool, not too warm, it's just perfect and it's easily blendable. Also it adds that perfect amount of shadow to my face. Next I have their blush, and this is their newest launch. I am super excited for that, and this is their Celestial Dust Illuminating Blush. This is in the shade Lotus Quartz. It's so freaking pigmented and blendable. I mean, look at that. It looks so cute. I love the color. Now let's add some highlighter on my cheeks and then I will move on to the eyes. And I have the Diamond Lustre highlighter palette and this is in the shade Northern Lights. Look at that. It looks so beautiful and blingy. It's a multi-purpose highlighter that provides you a holographic glow. Now not gonna lie, it has some prominent shimmer particles in it, but it looks so beautiful on the skin. I hope you guys can see. So totally love it. Okay, moving on to the eyes, and today I have their eyeshadow palette and I was super excited for this one because look at that. It looks so stunning and it's so easy and travel friendly, and also I really like the color scheme of it. By the way guys, these are cream eyeshadows, so I'm just gonna dab some like that. I'm not gonna do too much on my eyes. I just want some color and look at that. It looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna take this shade and highlight the inner corners of my eyes. I have added some mascara and eyes are done. It looks so pretty. I love it. Next I have my favorite of all time, their lipsticks, and today I have the shade Wild Rose. It has the goodness of almond, avocado, jojoba, pomegranate, watermelon and grape. Their lipstick packaging and the formulation is my all-time favorite. Look at the shade. It looks so pretty. I love it. And also it comes with a magnetic packaging, which is awesome. And yup, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell so that every single time I upload a video, you will get notified and you don't miss out on anything. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. Please don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It's for free, but it will help me a lot. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.